Looking at the budget smartphone market, the Moto G Power 5G 2023 brings some noteworthy features to the table. It offers solid performance, a fast screen, and impressive battery life, all at an affordable price point. One of the standout features is its battery life. With a hefty 5000 mAh battery, it can easily last 2 full days on a single charge under average use. This is a significant advantage for those who don't want to worry about recharging their phone constantly. The Moto G Power 5G also sports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate isn't common in budget phones, making scrolling and animations feel smooth and responsive. The screen is sharp and bright enough for most situations, although it may struggle a bit under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 930 processor, paired with 6GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. This setup delivers solid performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, checking social media, and streaming videos. It even handles multitasking without much trouble. However, if you're into heavy gaming, you might experience some slowdowns with more demanding titles. The camera system is decent but not outstanding. The main 50-megapixel camera takes good photos in well-lit conditions, capturing plenty of detail and vibrant colors. However, it struggles in low light and with fast-moving subjects. The secondary cameras, a 2-megapixel depth sensor and a 2-megapixel macro lens, don't add much to the experience. The macro shots lack detail, and the depth sensor doesn't significantly improve portrait shots. One area where the Moto G Power 5G falls short is software support. Motorola promises only one major Android update and 3 years of security updates. This is less than what some competitors offer, like the Google Pixel 6a, which provides at least 3 years of major updates and 5 years of security patches. Speaking of competitors, let's compare the Moto G Power 5G to some other budget phones. The Pixel 6a, for instance, has a better camera system, more robust software support, and stronger performance, especially in gaming. However, it usually costs a bit more, although prices can fluctuate. The OnePlus Nord N30 5G is another option at a similar price point. It offers a more appealing design, better secondary cameras, and similar performance. However, the Moto G Power 5G edges ahead in battery life, which could be a deciding factor for some users. If having features like NFC for contactless payments is important to you, you might consider the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. It includes NFC, better software support, and also offers good battery life. On the downside, its performance might not be as snappy as the Moto G Power 5G. In terms of design, the Moto G Power 5G is simple and functional. It's made of plastic, which keeps it lightweight but doesn't feel as premium as some metal or glass alternatives. It does include a headphone jack and a micro SD card slot, which are becoming rarer features these days. Overall, the Moto G Power 5G 2023 is a solid choice for those who prioritize battery life and a smooth display in a budget phone. It handles daily tasks well and offers features that are practical for everyday use. While it has its shortcomings, especially in camera performance and software updates, it still stands as a competitive option in the budget smartphone market. To sum up, what I like is the excellent battery life lasting up to 2 days, the smooth 120Hz display, the solid performance for everyday tasks, the affordable price point, and it includes a headphone jack and a micro SD card slot. On the downside, weak secondary cameras and average main camera in low light, limited software support with only one promised OS update, and the plastic build lacks a premium feel. That's it, guys. But don't go yet, there's so much more to discover. Check out more of our videos packed with suggestions and reviews to help you make the best choices. Don't miss out. Click on the videos appearing now. Before you go, remember to like, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next one.